Our oven is showing fault 350 set Y.
What happened just before your oven displayed this message?
Tried to preheat to 350 for baking, it faulted after few seconds with that message.
How long has this been going on with your oven? What have you tried so far?
Just started following instructions on to clear the fault, which we have tried, but then it is doing the same thing again.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No, that's all I have.
Good morning. My name is. I'll be assisting you with your appliance today. Please give me a moment to review your question. I'm sorry to hear you're having issues with your oven. I understand how frustrating that must be. If you don't mind, please allow me a few minutes to look up your model and type. In the meantime, if you have anything else you'd like to add, you can respond and I'll read it while I'm typing.
It is a cafe freestanding conduction top with electric oven. Meant GE Cafe.
Understood.
Not calling this should be free service.
Is your oven less than 1 year old? Fault 350 means that your oven has detected the cooling fan no longer running up to speed. This cooling fan is located below the induction top. Since the oven is less than 1 year old, you're going to want to call warranty at 1-, and they will come out and replace the faulty cooling fan at no charge. I'm glad I could help. If you need anything else, just let me know. I hope you enjoy your experience with JustAnswer.com. I look forward to helping you again in the future.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.